This is Hataki and Hataki and Hataki. Hataki, like this. Hello, this is Uri Uri baあちゃん. Today, I would like to do how to make Hataki. Hataki is a handy mop of Japanese old style. And this is bamboo. Hataki is stick made of bamboo. Bamboo is best. Bamboo moves flexible and strong. Prepare a length of 60 centimeters long. Sorry. Oh! 落ちてきた。60 centimeter long. あいた。よし。Bamboo sticks is best, but you have a bamboo? Oh, it's okay. These wood sticks and these sticks. 60. 30. ここだ。Okay. Make a hole in this stick. 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Make a hole. This more big hole. Too big. No. Boo. あ、これ大丈夫ね。あ、it's okay. よし。よし。ちょっとどうしたもん。もう後でやろう。はい。And then よっこいしょ。あー、どっこいしょと。This 2 centimeters make a hole. お、いいじゃん。あれ、向こうまで通っていかんじゃん。よっ。OK。OK。2センチとこはこれじゃなかった。間違えた。1 centimeter and it's okay. This hole 2 centimeters is bigger than this hole because this hole thread in this hole. Okay, this is okay. あら遅すぎるわ。まあいいわ。これじゃ入らんのだぞ。わしゃ英語で喋るはずじゃったんに。Oh, I have good idea. It's okay. Okay. あ、倒れる。待って。難しいね。不器用じゃのわしゃ。あ、ちょっと出てこん。いいわ、じゃあこれはこれで。これはよ。これで。This is stopper. Okay. And another side. よっしゃ Okay. It's okay. And okay. And this. And 竹はどうなった？ Oh, it's okay. And more big hole. I do. And あ、通らん。このまま通るんじゃない。お、来た。Yes, done. よし。じゃあこれだな。これはくずいとくずふ。I can't speak English. This thread material. I can't. But a handmade thread. Okay. prepare a cloth this. Cut into 5 or 6 wide and 50 centimeters long. That pieces 6 pieces or 10 pieces. This cloth is material. Use silk or polyester for the dust removing head. Worn-out stockings are also good, but the material of the clothes can be cotton or linen or another. よいしょ T-shirts, okay. Silk scarf, okay. This is kimono inside kimono. Okay, let's start. First, this is silk. This cloth is thin, so make it wider. 25. Okay. This. About 50 centimeters long. よいしょ。よいしょ。はい。1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this cloth is thin, so more cloth. ね。Go! よいしょ。これだって叫んでるな。よいしょ。Enough. ね。And T-shirts. こう切って、just. ね。そして、50 centimeter long, 4 centimeter wide.これでいいかな。よいしょ。いいかな、こんぐらいで。輪ゴムがいいわ。よいしょ。And どう？いいな、こんなの。Oh, this is okay, but ちょっとブサイク。これ全部やっていいな。ちょっとやり直す。This cloth is thin, so more pieces. More. Okay. Okay, and another Hataki. これもうちょっと短い方がいいかな。ちょっと待って、これを出しすぎ、上げた方がいいな。長いよ。It's too long. よいしょ。 それでここを英語でやるって言った途端に私も寡黙になってしまう。ははは。Finish. These are Hataki. It's finished. Hataki like this. Wow. This. It's heavy. This is heavy t-shirt fabric. See you.